everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export and import your site kit using Elementor with just a few steps. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So when you're in your WP admin dashboard, what you want to do is head over to Elementor and then head over to tools. And over in the tools section, what you want to head over to is import and export kit. Right over here, you'll see two options. You'll see the export a template kit and import a template kit. First, we're going to go over on the export options and then we're going to import our kit. So head over, click the start export, and then that will lead you to the following screen. In here, you'll see export a website kit. It will tell you choose which Elementor components, template, content, and site settings to include in your kit file. By default, all your components will be exported. Now, as you can see here, we have our templates, content. In my case, I have WooCommerce installed. So you'll see products. We have all our custom post types over here. And if you're not sure where are they or they're not being selected, you'll be able to click this field over here, and then it will prompt you with a drop down and you'll be able to select your custom post type. We have Elementor pages, landing pages, Elementor posts, WP pages, WP posts, WP menus, custom post types, and that's pretty much does it for this section. The next thing we have is site settings. Such things can be global colors, global fonts, theme style settings, layout settings, lightbox settings, background settings, and that's pretty much it. Now under templates, we have save templates, headers, footers, archives, single posts, single pages, search results, 404 error pages, pop-ups, and global widgets. Once you've selected what you need here, just to mention here, you can deselect what you don't want to. For example, you don't want Elementor pages for some reason, or you don't want to export all the templates, or you want to select only the site settings. So you can deselect content and templates and it will export only the site settings over here. So that's pretty much down to your own preferences. One more thing here is that Elementor gives us the option to name our kit. When you head over here to the kit information, just click the arrow over here and you'll be able to name your kit. For example, let's make it easy WP for you site kit. And here you can add some description. For example, this is my website kit. Once I'm happy with what I need here, whether it's site settings, content, templates, name, and description, what you want to do is head over to the bottom right hand of your screen and then hit next. The next thing that you'll be greeted with is what type of plugins do you want to include in the site kit. As we can see here, export your site as a website kit. Select which of these plugins are required for this kit to work. In my case, I want to select all of them. So I would deselect the plugin name and then I'll just select it once more and then we'll select all the plugins that I have on my website. As we can see here, we have the name of the plugin and then we have the version right here. Once you've done that, what you want to do is head over again to the bottom right hand corner of your screen and then click create kit. Once that is done, we'll be greeted with the following. It will ask us where do we want to save our Elementor kit. In my case, it will be here on my OneDrive personal. It can be on another place on your PC or your Mac. So it only depends where you want to save that. Once you've chosen the place where you want to and it is accessible to you, just hit the save button. If we're back on our website, we can see here your export is ready. Now you can import this kit and use it on other sites. We can see all of the things that are being exported with this kit. We can see the site area and what was included. So we can see here the Elementor templates. As we can see here, we have 4 loop items, 1 header, 1 footer, 1 archive, 1 single post, 1 pop-up, and 1 page. And the next thing we have here is the site settings. We can see that all the global colors, global fonts, typography, and so forth have been exported, and we see that the content, we have 3 posts, 7 pages, 6 navigation menu items, and 9 products being exported together with this kit. And then all the plugins that we've selected on the previous step are being included together with this kit. Now, if for some reason the kit has not been exported or you haven't seen the option to save it on your computer for some reason, we have here, although it's not being seen so clearly, we have down at the bottom here, we have the option download not working. Click here to download, and once you click it, it will download your file. Once you're done, click the close button at the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and that will redirect you to the WP admin dashboard of your website. Next up, I want to show you how you can import the kit. Once we've exported it, we want to go to our next website, but in my case, it would be this exact website that we're currently on. I just want to show you the exact process that you have to go through. Again, head over to Elementor, and then you want to go to tools, and then head over to import and export kit. And over here, you want to click the start import button, and in here, what you want to do is just drag and drop the zip file of the Elementor kit we just exported. You can drag and drop it or just select file, and then you'll be greeted with a window where you can select the file location. In my case, I will just drag and drop it. and it will load, and then it will prompt me with the following screen. This screen will tell me, all right, what plugins do you want to import to your website? It will tell me what plugins am I missing. In my case, I don't miss any of the plugins, but if you do, you might want to select them so the kit that you're trying to import into this website will work properly. Once that is done and you selected all the plugins that you want, need, or don't need anymore for the Elementor kit that you are importing, what you want to do is head over to the bottom right hand of your screen and then just click the next button. Or if this is another kit that you're importing and you have imported it by a mistake, you can just click the previous button and then it will prompt you with a previous screen where you can import again your correct kit that you're trying to import for this website. Now, in my case, I will click next, and here we have also the option to select what do I want to import from this kit. Do I want to import only the templates, only the content, only the site settings, or only two of them and one of them I don't need that, or I want to import all of them? In my case, I want to import all of them. Once I've selected or deselected what I need or what I don't need and I'm happy with my choice, what I want to do is head over to the bottom right hand of my screen and then just click import. Once this will be imported, you'll be greeted with the following screen. As we can see here, your kit is now live on your site, and we can see here site area included, the same thing as we've seen before. We can see what was imported, for example, Elementor templates, site settings, and the content. In my case, it was already on my website. I just wanted to show you what happens or what screen do you need to get once the Elementor kit is imported to your website. And once you're done, what you want to do is head over to the bottom right hand of your screen and just click close, and then you'll be redirected to the WP admin dashboard. Once that is done, you're basically done with importing or exporting your Elementor site kit. That's pretty much does it for this video. I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, I'd be really glad to if you leave a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any video that I post on Elementor, WooCommerce, or WordPress. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.